Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to disable quick launch into a Nokia G50 5G. First of all, let's try on our phone. Maybe it's not working, so block our phone and double click to power key. Okay, and camera is open, so need to turn off this option. So unblock the phone and go into settings. Then need into search, right click and go into jump to camera option, this one. And here we got jump to camera option. To quickly open camera, press to power key twice. Works from any screen. So to turn off this option, click here to the switcher, and now we turn off this option. So let's try. Click twice to power button. One more time. Okay, and camera is not open. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.